कि मेडिकल टर्मिनोलॉजी में गोल्डन आवर्स पेशेंट को बचाने का एक प्रयास होता। यहां जहां तक कोविड का संबंध है, इस सरकार ने गोल्डन मंथ्स बर्बाद किए कोविड को रोकने के लिए। सबसे पहले दिसंबर लास्ट ईयर में वार्निंग दी थी वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, और उन्होंने कहा था कि चाइना में, हिंदुस्तान के नेबरहुड में एक मिस्टीरियस निमोनिया फैल रहा है। तो सबसे पहले, चूंकि हमारी नेबरहुड में हो रहा था, तो हमको चौकन्ना होना चाहिए। और ये भी सच कि सबसे पहले कांग्रेस पार्टी ने इस देश के और इस सरकार को जगाने का प्रयास किया था। कांग्रेस के भूतपूर्व अध्यक्ष श्री राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा जनवरी के महीने में कि एक सुनामी आने वाली। उसके बाद मार्च में उन्होंने कहा कि देश में एक ऐसी महामारी आ रही है जिसकी देश कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकता है, देश को जागना चाहिए। हमारे कुछ साथियों ने कहा कि वो बोले नहीं यहां या उस सदन में, लेकिन न बोलने की परंपरा बहुत बड़े बड़े लोगों कर रही होती है, जो न इस सदन में बोलते हैं और न उस सदन में बोलते हैं, जो परंपराएं बड़े सालों के बाद तोड़ी गई हैं। मैं उसमें जाना नहीं चाहता हूं। सर, मैं जब स्वास्थ्य मंत्री था तो मैंने डॉक्टर्स को, मैंने बहुत सारी कम्युनिकेशंस गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स की अटेंड की। मैंने कभी भी उनको डॉक्टर लेके एड्रेस नहीं किया, मैंने हमेशा उनको डियर एंजल्स कहा। एंजल्स का मतलब है फरिश्ता। तो आज उन फरिश्तों को, उन एंजल्स को मैं सलाम करता हूं, जिन्होंने कोविड के दरमियान काम करने में अपनी जान खो दी, और कुछ कोविड का आज भी शिकार हुए हैं। मैं दुआ करता हूं अल्लाह से कि वो जल्दी ठीक हो जाएं। हमारे देशवासियों, जो दूसरे देशवासी हमारे हैं जो बीमार हैं, उनके साथ भी वो ठीक हो जाए। सर, मैं सिर्फ यहां कुछ सुझाव दूंगा। मैं समझता हूं कि बहुत टोका टोकी हो गई है, उससे कुछ निकलने वाला नहीं है। ये सब जानते हैं कि किस वक्त लॉकडाउन होना चाहिए था, किस वक्त नहीं होना चाहिए था, उस पर भी चर्चा हुई। लेकिन मैं इसके सुधार के लिए अब सजेशंस दूंगा। सेक्टर वाइज ब्रॉड सजेशंस फॉर कंसिडरेशन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। देयर शुड बी ए डेडिकेटेड इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज हॉस्पिटल एंड फीवर क्लिनिक्स rather than calling them COVID-19 hospitals to avoid stigma. ये उनको कोविड नहीं बताना चाहिए, बल्कि डेडिकेटेड इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज हॉस्पिटल्स और फीवर क्लिनिक्स कहने। सब दूसरा सुझाव मेरा है, द वर्ड सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग शुड बी डन अवे विद एंड वी शुड स्टार्ट यूजिंग द टर्म फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग. We need to take urgent steps to enhance our research and public health capacities. We have established BSL Level 4 lab in 2009, and till date, even after 11 years, there is no addition of any BSL Level 4 lab. Government should immediately establish 4 more regional Level 4 BSL labs. The government should also establish BSL Level 3 labs in each medical college of the country, and each lab does not cost more than 3 crore rupees, so it is easy to establish. The government should also establish Center for Disease Control and Health Center of diagnostic facilities at the district and community health level. While coordinated response is important, we also need to think short-term, medium-term, and long-term preparedness plan in consultation with the state governments. A financing strategy is needed exclusively for the health sector covering preparedness-related capacities, state and district level emergency operation centers, and emergency management teams. So now I would like to, this is the last and detail, the most important which we are looking forward, the entire world is, as a matter of fact, looking forward, and so are we and our country looking forward for the vaccine. But it is not only just vaccine will come like any other vaccine and then just have the vaccine. So I have some number of suggestions on this vaccine, because we successfully developed our domestic vaccine in 2010, and I was fortunate enough to have the first shot after this H1N1. Sir, we all aware that several vaccine candidates are in advanced clinical trial, phase 2 and 3, and that the vaccine will be introduced sometime in near future. It may take 3 to 4 months or 6 to 8 months, but a vaccine will come sooner or later. Vaccine developed anywhere in the world would be in very high demand. Therefore, we must encourage domestic manufacturers and also closely follow vaccine development globally. Number 4, we should be well placed to get the vaccine at an affordable price and at an early stage through mechanisms such as prior market commitment and pooled procurement for center and states together. Number 5, several nations are already in talks with front runner and secure favorable commitment for providing vaccines for their population. Number 6, the engagement in discussion with the manufacturers as well as bilateral dialogues with the countries is required, those who are producing the vaccine. Number 7, at the same time, we must be ready for the last mile delivery of vaccine. It should not happen like this lockdown. So we should be doing our preparation right now, how to deliver it and how it can reach to the last mile. Number 8, we can not afford to lose time in preparing our vaccination strategy after the procurement of vaccines. Development and finalization of preparedness plan for the deployment of future COVID-19 vaccine is crucially important at this stage. For instance, number 1, prioritization of target population groups, healthcare workers, elderly and the vulnerable, those with comorbidities, and security personnel, those involved in travel and logistics. Number 2, mechanism platform for delivery of vaccine at the grassroots levels. Number 3, health system requirements, medical store organization, warehouses, cold storage and cold chain logistics for last mile transportation, identification of training of vaccinators. Number 4, regulatory pathway requirements, required safety and protocol approvals. Number 5, vaccine safety monitoring mechanism, especially adverse events after immunization. In any such new vaccine, there's an adverse, effect also. So that is most important, which we have to see. Number 6, communication strategies, continuing with the adverseness and precautionary messages to avoid a false sense of safety depending on the vaccine efficacy. Number 7, monitoring and evaluation to be done concurrently so that we are able to swiftly adjust and change course as required. And 10th, sir, in view of the fact that COVID-19 vaccine would be a new vaccine and there is a global race for developing it within the shortest time frame possible, there could be an adverse or side effects or even long-term effects which may need time to be identified, not being appropriately discovered in phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. You may skip something, adverse effect, because you are doing very quickly, you are cutting the short time, instead whatever the time is prescribed for phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So you may cut few months. So thereby, there may be some lacuna left. Since we have, and India has to be very cautious about all the countries, since we have a large and young population, so we cannot affect, if it has an adverse effect of 10 years, maybe for elderly countries it may be good, but our is a young generation. So since we have a large and young population, government should be overcautious and should rigorously monitor the quality, safety and efficacy of the vaccine.